Okay. So today I'm going to review Vambo AI. So basically it's a startup that I've heard about a lot of times now. Someone said I should check it out, just see how it works. Uh yeah, they're all over the internet right now. ZBC even they did a piece on them, so they must be doing something amazing. So firstly they say indigenous language AI gives users the ability to use what strategy. So basically, what they're saying is they help translate uh, translate English to native tongue or native tongue to English. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the features. First, write. Send professional emails, write entirely essays, and create amazing social media posts. Okay. Um, I don't really know if there is a professional setting where I'm going to want or rather need a feature to send in my native language. Maybe in China. Yeah. But I mean, I've been in the industry for like what, 7 years now. Um, never received an email in our native language. Like I've never received an email in Shona. Never. So I don't know. Maybe it's something that is done in other countries. Um, in essays, yeah, that is maybe oriented zero and all of that. So that makes sense. Translates documents. So, when someone told me about this platform, the more they explained, the more I just thought, this must be just ChatGPT because ChatGPT can help you do this, and do this. I don't know what exactly what they are doing that ChatGPT is not. Because yeah, okay, I'm not here to criticize or anything. I just want to test out to see how everything works. So you can translate from languages. So this is Shona to English and English to Shona. Then you can search. So basically summarizing concepts. So you can achieve all of this by sending a prompt to ChatGPT to say, can you explain to me like a 5-year-old? So it basically breaks down confusing concepts, you know. Then listen. But they did mention, I think they did mention that they are still testing out the platform. So probably it will be buggy. Let's see. Let's try it out. Um, it's in beta. So yeah, we can forgive if there are some bugs. So let's say hi. Ah, okay. Knowledge in your language. So maybe, but it says ask me anything. So let me say hi. Just hi and see. Okay, something went wrong. All right. Maybe I'm supposed to say hi in Shona, the EP. Oh, yes, really. I should have said yes, but let's see. Okay, something went wrong. Hello. Um, I don't know why it's supposed to think, it's just like one word. Because thinking models really they do a lot of things in the background. That's why they have that thing where it says thinking. But this one I don't really think it was thinking. Or maybe it was just a delayed API call. But anyways, it says, hello, it's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with or would like to chat? All right. So can you help me translate this from English to Shona? I only know Shona and a little bit of Debele. So let me just say Makadi Baba. So it's like a greeting. Hello, father, or how are you? How are you, father? Can you translate? So, okay, something went wrong. It's not working. Maybe if I click on one of these things, it may work because this is what they want us to ask them rather than what we want to ask them. So, search for, forgive my voice, is literally like 11. So, just 11 p.m. So, let's see. Still thinking. Oh, we're looking to explore textures. You've come, what, there. Start with classic recipes like Dorowat, or Shiro. Okay. Let me just say thank you. Thanks. And it's thinking. I don't know what is up with this party. It's not supposed to think, bro. But something went wrong again. So I think it only can only respond to these three things here. Okay, maybe let's try the translate part. Maybe from Shona to English. All right. So let's say they, you know what? Shona is very tricky. The way people write Shona, like if you're writing for an examination, yeah, you write proper Shona, but in real life, we use what we call Shonglish. So anything that is trying to solve this problem of translation, you should take into account that. But okay, I'll not make it hard for them. So let's say Makadi Baba, the same one that I did. I'll bit how you did. Yes, this one makes sense. All right. So I think their chat feature is the one that doesn't work. Maybe let's say from English to Shona. How are you dead? Let's see. What do you say, Baba? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me just ask ChatGPT. I think it's one of the things that we can do here. Um, okay, ChatGPT, can you translate this from English to Shona? How are you dead? Like this. Let's see, using ChatGPT 4.0. Magadi Baba. So this one makes sense. Oh, I don't know. Wakadi Baba. I don't know. But this one makes sense. Magadi Baba. I think so. I'm not sure what they are doing. I think there's some extra processing that they're doing. Yeah. But yeah, maybe something to look at. But this is not entirely bad. This is good. Well, standards, I think this is good. Yeah, so this is how Vambo AI works. Don't know, the search is disabled, write is disabled, chat is disabled. So I think maybe they're still working on those things. For me, I would rate this platform a solid 4. And 4 out of 10, really. Because then the 4 points are for trying. In Zimbabwe, you don't really get people that are trying to do anything, like anything that is impactful or anything that puts Zimbabwe on the map. say myself saying that, yeah, kind of thing. I'm being too lenient. But anyways, it doesn't work 100%, but it's getting there. Um, yeah, maybe in my next video we can try to build this whole thing in like 30 minutes, because maybe you may say, this person is just criticizing in all of that. So there are now tools to help you build all of these things. You can try and build it and we can see if that works. But I'm curious to know if they have data sets for all of these languages, or they're just pulling something directly from ChatGPT. Maybe if we go here to inspect, and we can go here, it's a bit technical, but let's say translate. Let's see what they are sending. Okay. So what did they send? Okay. Text, how are you dead? Source language, English. Target language, SNA, meaning Shona. All right. Then the response was, we say Baba. Okay. This is the backend. I won't test if this is secure, but yeah. I just thought I might see something to do with ChatGPT, but yeah, maybe they're using something else, or it's ChatGPT still, but I think this is a good thing. This is a good place to start. Yeah, I think that's all for me. Until next time.